Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Chef's Backyard. Or if you're new here, welcome. I'm thrilled to have you join me here on this journey. 25 years cooking in busy professional kitchens, learning techniques, exploring flavors, and really diving deep into the craft. And while I love that, I wanted to create a different kind of space. This space, the Chef's Backyard. Chef's Backyard started with this idea, bringing it all together, literally, in my backyard. A place where we could maybe grow fruits, vegetables, learn how to transform those ingredients into incredible meals, and most importantly, share our collective love for food. We kicked things off with some gardening, and that was great fun, but I quickly saw that what you really wanted to see, what really got you excited, and me too, honestly, was the cooking. The sizzle of the grill, the secrets to a perfect sauce, the joy of nailing a new recipe. So this channel has truly become a hub for all of us who are passionate about food. Whether you're a dedicated foodie, always seeking the next best bite, a barbecue enthusiast who lives for smoke and fire, or a steak lover on the hunt for that perfect sear, a home cook who wants to up your game, or even a fellow chef looking for inspiration. You belong here in the Chef's Backyard. But here's the thing. Chef's Backyard isn't just about me sharing my knowledge. It's about building a community together. And to do that, I really want to hear from you. I'm genuinely curious. What is it about food that you love the most? Is it the creativity? Is it the comfort? The way it connects us? Do you actually enjoy? What do you actually enjoy cooking? Are you all about quick weeknight dinners? I know some of you are. Slow smoke barbecue on the weekends, baking projects, exploring specific cuisines. We do that here at the Chef's Backyard. And critically, what do you want to learn more about? Right here on the Chef's Backyard. This is our platform. Are there techniques you've always wanted to learn? Are there specific dishes you'd love to see me tackle? Maybe tips for better grilling, knife skills, or understanding ingredients? Please take a moment and drop your comments in the comment section. I read every single one and I do my best to reply. Your feedback is incredibly valuable and it helps me to figure out what kind of deliciousness we should cook up next. Thanks so much for being here, for watching my content, and for being part of the Chef's Backyard. Thanks for each one of your comments. Thank you for joining the community. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, now's the time to do it so you don't miss out on the future recipes and tips. Until next time, happy cooking. Join me here at the Chef's Backyard for more recipe tips, tricks, and fun recipes. Also, don't forget to check out my cookbook. I self-published a cookbook this summer, and it's available on Amazon. The links are there. Check out my merch shop. If you're able to do so, become a member. I'm still trying to figure out what exactly all of the member. It may only be $1 or $2 a month for you, but it could mean the world for me. It could help me improve my cooking space, help me improve my equipment, help me deliver better recipes for you. As always, thanks for joining me here at the Chef's Backyard. We'll see you soon.